your friends. Praise Jesus. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel. I really appreciate for taking your time just to click on this channel. And kindly, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to go ahead and hit the subscription button below. You know, guys, I am on a journey to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. It is one of the YouTube requirement, and if that does not happen, YouTube will not unlock some of the features on my channel. So I'm missing some of important features on my channel, so I need your support. You need to help me reach that 1,000 subscribers and also the 4,000 watch hours. So will you help me by subscribing, by liking my channel and sharing? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So today I just want to respond to a question that people have been asking me about their hairline. Their hairline is not growing, their hairline is thinning, their hairline is breaking off, and how can they have a fuller hairline and looking very healthy? And before I say something, let me just tell you this, that your hairline is growing, growing. The only thing that happened is that our hairline grows, but we do hairstyles that manipulate our hair. We do hairstyles that put a lot of pressure to our hairline, and therefore it breaks off even before we notice that it is growing. So we need to take responsibility of our hairline. There is no any solution that will help you grow back your hairline if you're not taking good care of it. Even if you buy an expensive oil to help you restore your hairline, it will not help you if you're not taking good care of your hairline and minimizing on the hairstyles that you're doing, just to make sure that they're not putting pressure on your hair and they're not putting a lot of manipulation on your hairline. So please use castor oil to grow back your edges. Castor oil is very good in promoting hair growth. It's very good in thickening your hair. It's very good in making your hair fuller. It's very good in making your hair look healthy, and also it is very good in sealing in moisture. Actually, castor oil is my favorite oil since I started to be natural. I've been using castor oil. So castor oil is going to help you in restoring your edges back. And you can also try to use onion juice and castor oil together. And if you don't know how to make it and use it, I will leave the link in the description box below, because I have a video about explaining how I make onion oil and mix it with castor oil for hair growth. So please make sure to check it out in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching, and before I just end this video, let me just show you the kind of castor oil that I've been using. This is the kind of castor oil that I have been using, so please make sure to try it. But it doesn't matter, this is just a company, but you can try out on any that you can be able to find in the stores. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.